Hello, and welcome back to Senior Vitality Now, your trusted space for healthy aging, natural wellness, and living your golden years to the fullest. If you're over 60, you might have noticed changes in your skin, joints, and even your energy. Maybe your skin feels thinner, your joints a little stiffer, or you're healing slower. A big reason for that: collagen, or rather, the lack of it. Collagen is the protein that gives structure to your skin, bones, joints, and even your blood vessels. But here's the catch: after age 25, collagen production starts to decline. And after 60, it drops dramatically by over 30% in some people. But don't worry, nature has your back. Today, we're talking about 8 collagen-rich fruits that can help you naturally boost collagen levels, and what common foods you should avoid, because they may be silently damaging your aging body. So grab a comfy seat, maybe even a glass of water or tea, and let's nourish your body the right way. Collagen isn't just about wrinkles or sagging skin. It's your body's scaffolding. It keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, your bones strong, and your gut lining healthy. Low collagen can lead to loose or crepey skin, joint pain, or stiffness, poor wound healing, digestive problems. But by eating the right foods, you can support your body's natural collagen production, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. And fruits, they're one of the most powerful and often overlooked ways to do it. Before we dive into the collagen-rich fruits, let's talk about a few everyday foods that silently sabotage your collagen. You might have some of these in your pantry right now. Refined sugar. Sugar triggers glycation, a process where sugar binds to collagen fibers, making them stiff, brittle, and prone to breaking down. To processed meats, things like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are high in advanced glycation end products, AGS, which accelerate aging at the cellular level. Excess alcohol impairs collagen production and dehydrates your skin. Not a good combo after 60. Highly fried or fast food loaded with trans fats and oxidized oils. These foods create inflammation, which breaks down collagen even faster. So what should you do? Simple. Start replacing the bad with the good. Let's talk about the 8 collagen-rich fruits that help your body rebuild, repair, and glow from the inside out. These fruits aren't just delicious, they're like natural medicine for your skin, joints, and connective tissue. Small but mighty, kiwi is packed with vitamin C, a vital cofactor your body needs to produce collagen. In fact, one kiwi has more vitamin C than an entire orange. How to enjoy it: eat it fresh, add to smoothies, or slice over yogurt for a collagen-boosting snack. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which protect existing collagen from being broken down by inflammation and oxidative stress. They also improve circulation, helping nutrients reach your skin and joints more effectively. Frozen blueberries retain their antioxidants. Toss them in oatmeal or blend into a morning shake. Oranges are a classic collagen booster for a reason. Their high vitamin C content helps convert the amino acids proline and lysine into collagen strands. Bonus: oranges also contain hesperidin, a plant compound that supports healthy blood vessels and skin elasticity. Daily habit: start your day with half an orange, or use the zest in cooking for an extra nutrient kick. Papaya is like nature's skincare secret. It contains vitamin C, folate, and papain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and improve digestion, which supports better nutrient absorption for collagen building. Great for older adults with sensitive stomachs or mild digestive issues. We've covered for collagen-rich fruits so far, but we still have more to go, including one tropical fruit that almost no one talks about, but it's incredible for aging skin and aching joints. Plus, we'll look at easy ways to work these fruits into your daily routine and how to combine them with protein for maximum collagen benefits. So far, we've looked at 4 powerful fruits that naturally support collagen production after 60. Kiwi, blueberries, oranges, and papaya. Now let's keep the list going with 4 more, including a few you may not have thought about, but your skin and joints will thank you for. Like oranges and kiwi, strawberries are loaded with vitamin C, but they also offer something extra: ellagic acid, a natural antioxidant that helps protect collagen from UV damage and environmental stress. And if you have joint pain or skin that's easily irritated, strawberries can help lower inflammation too. Add sliced strawberries to your salad, or pair them with a handful of walnuts for a healthy snack rich in antioxidants and omega-3s. Yes, avocados are fruits, And they're one of the best you can eat for skin elasticity and joint support. They're rich in vitamin E, which helps prevent collagen breakdown, and healthy fats, which keep your skin hydrated from within. Plus, they're high in glutathione, an antioxidant that supports detoxification, something that becomes even more important as we age. Mash on whole grain toast, blend into smoothies, or add to salads. Just half an avocado a day goes a long way. Mangoes are a tropical treat packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A crucial nutrient for skin regeneration and collagen maintenance. Mangoes also contain enzymes that aid digestion, helping your body absorb more nutrients from your meals. In one study, postmenopausal women who ate mango regularly had improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkle depth. That's powerful. Guava is one of the most underrated collagen fruits. Just one guava provides more than twice your daily vitamin C needs, and it also delivers zinc, a mineral essential for collagen formation and wound healing. It's also packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keep your gut healthy, another key factor in nutrient absorption and overall vitality. Guava tastes amazing chilled or sliced into yogurt. The seeds are edible, and the rind is rich in nutrients. So how do you bring these fruits into your daily life in a way that's easy, enjoyable, and effective? Here are 3 simple, senior-friendly ways to eat more collagen-supporting fruits every day. Blend together. 1/2 avocado, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup strawberries, 1 small orange peeled, a scoop of collagen peptides, optional, water or unsweetened almond milk, this smoothie gives you healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin C, all in one glass. Mix, sliced. Mango, papaya, guava, a squeeze of lime, a sprinkle of chia seeds for fiber, and omega-3s, This is refreshing, colorful, and makes a perfect light breakfast or snack. Combine. Kiwi slices, a few orange segments, Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics. A drizzle of honey, optional, This combination supports collagen and helps your body repair and rebuild tissue overnight while you sleep. The truth is, aging is natural, but how we age is something we can influence every single day. You don't need expensive supplements or miracle creams. Just by eating the right fruits, avoiding the hidden collagen killers, and staying consistent, you can nourish your skin, joints, and whole body from the inside out. So if you're over 60, make these 8 fruits your allies. Kiwi, blueberries, oranges, papaya, strawberries, avocados, mangoes, and guava. Now that you know which fruits help boost collagen, let's talk quickly about other key nutrients that help your body use that collagen more efficiently. Because collagen doesn't work alone. It needs helpers to really do its job. Here are a few powerful partners. Zinc helps activate the enzymes that build new collagen. It also supports skin healing, which becomes slower with age. Mushrooms, sesame seeds, dark leafy greens, copper is involved in stabilizing collagen fibers and increasing skin firmness. Mangoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, it supports skin regeneration and helps reduce the breakdown of collagen in your skin. Collagen-rich protein sources like eggs, bone broth, beans, or collagen peptides, these amino acids are literally the building blocks of collagen. Without them, your body can't create or repair collagen structures. By eating a variety of whole foods, especially fruits, seeds, and clean proteins, you're giving your body the full toolbox it needs to repair, rebuild, and stay vibrant. Older adults walking outdoors, stretching, laughing with family, food is the foundation. But how you live every day also plays a major role in keeping your collagen strong and your body feeling younger. Here are 5 daily habits that help protect collagen naturally. Water helps transport nutrients, flush out toxins, and keep your skin plump. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses per day, more if it's hot or you're active. Sun damage is one of the fastest ways collagen breaks. Down. Wear a broad-spectrum SPF. even on cloudy days, and protect your skin with hats or lightweight clothing outdoors. Collagen regenerates while you sleep. Adults over 60 should aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Low impact activities like walking, stretching, swimming, or Tai Chi can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and stimulate collagen repair, especially in joints and muscles. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which breaks down collagen. Daily moments of calm, like deep breathing, prayer, or meditation, can go a long way. Aging doesn't have to mean feeling stiff, tired, or uncomfortable in your own skin. With small daily choices, like choosing collagen-rich fruits over processed snacks, drinking more water, and getting restful sleep, you can support your body's natural ability to stay strong, supple, and energized. And remember, it's never too late to start. Even if you're 65, 75, or older, your body is always ready to heal when you give it the right tools. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to tap the like button to support the channel, subscribe for weekly wellness tips for healthy aging, and share this video with someone else who's passionate about feeling their best after 60. Have any questions about collagen or nutrition? Drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from our amazing community. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else who cares about their health after 60. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, recipes, and wellness insights, all designed with your stage of life in mind. I'm Healthcare, and this is Senior Vitality Now, where healthy aging starts with small, delicious steps. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and keep thriving.